hard reset will erase all of your data, including contacts, messages, photos, videos, and other sensitive information. This content provided is for educational purposes only.
Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Lab Edition. In this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Huawei Y70 Plus. This is Huawei Y70 Plus with 4GB of RAM and was released in 2022. So we're going to show you how to hard reset and remove password pattern and especially the Huawei ID from this phone. So in order to do that, we can use the key combination method. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to turn off my phone. So I'm going to press the power button and we're going to power off. The phone is off now. I'm going to wait at least for 5 seconds and then we're going to press volume up and the power button together, just like that. So okay, I saw the Huawei logo. We're going to keep pressing this button. So the second you see the Huawei logo, just release both buttons and the phone's supposed to go into the recovery mode, and I'm going to wait for it. So here we are in the recovery mode. So here we can see clear data, so we're gonna press on it. Here we can see factory reset, so we're gonna choose factory reset. Here we have to type yes, factory reset, and the phone has been reset. It's gonna take a while. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it on this stand. Factory reset is done, so we're gonna wipe the cache partition also. I'm gonna select that. This phone is quite fast and I'm impressed. So we're gonna go back and we're gonna restart the device. Now it's gonna take a while. Here we go, we almost done. So we're gonna set language English. So we have to the Wi-Fi. We are connected. Set up later, leave.
Hello everybody and welcome